Hi guys, this is Jason. I'm the landscaper, and today I want to spend some time to tell you 5 reasons why I think that these machines are definitely one that for you to get. Okay, so I think the first reason is that these are effective and efficient tools. Being the size they are and how much they weigh, you can just very easily transport in the back of a pickup. As you can see in my other videos, I just haul them around to different job sites, unload them, and just start working. A lot of times we don't have room to turn around with the trailer, so these are very efficient tool to do those tasks. Number 2 reason is the easy to repair. Contrary to many people, these machines are extremely easy to fix. All the components, hydraulic components, are generic, and you can get them rebuilt if you need to. But for the cost effectiveness, it's much easier to just get a new part and replace them. So it's extremely easy to repair. Hardly any electrical wirings, so you don't need any dealer-specific tools. You don't need dealer-specific parts, and you can just repair them without much trouble. Any mechanics will be having no problem to replace these. Number 3 reason, I think just a wide selection of different models or different make for your application. So for example, if you are using it for your home estate, all you need is just the most basic unit. You spend less money because you don't, in terms paying for the features you don't need. Okay, so like for example, the expandable track or boom swing, if you don't need those, you just get a simple machine and there it is. Okay. Number 4 is the ability to customize. A lot of times for business use, we want to have a business image and we want to have it painted a certain color or logos to get it fixed on the machines, and a lot of times you can just request that directly with the factory and they would do it relatively inexpensive. And we're talking about maybe just like $100 or $200 for painting a different color and have them make the logos for you, and that's your walking advertisement right there already, with a machine painting your color, your logo. And also for customization, there's another thing you can do is requesting name brand components. For example, engines. Sometimes you can request for a diesel engine, Kubota diesel engine, or sometimes you can request a Yanmar engine to fit what you like, what your preference. And also the components, hydraulic components, you can request name brand components rather than just a generic, from factory in China. And I think number 5 is the most important. Is its cost. And we're not talking about cheap. We're talking about cost to work application ratio. So for example, if all you do, you're a plumber and all you do is doing water lines, in the residential areas, sometimes sewer lines that doesn't go more than 4 feet deep, then really this machine is all you need. And if you don't have any access restriction, you don't need expandable track, you don't need boom swing, and all you need is just a very simple, reliable tractor with maybe, let's say, Kubota engine, and you can get that. So for the amount of money, for example, my landscape buddy here with the Kubota diesel engine, with the boom swing, with hydraulic thumb, altogether I'm selling them $15,500. And just for comparison, compared to the Kubota KOOA, they value retail about $24,000. So for almost $10,000 less, for about a third less, you can get a machine and that will do all your work. There you have it. I think those are the 5 reasons why anyone who's in the dirt moving business should get one of these little things. If you have any questions, comments, you can feel free to leave down below. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.